It's like a Bluffenheimer down by the Dubai. What's up, guys? Back out here with another video for you. We got to take down this poplar tree. Super tall. He's got these nice eastern hemlocks here that he's trying to preserve. But, you know, the reason for the takedown is the tree is severely hollow. I mean, it's bad. I don't feel comfortable rigging anything from it. Like I said, I think it's about 120 feet maybe to the top. We got a nice little area right in here we can throw the top. I think I'm gonna get Ricardo to set a rope in this tree, just in case, you know, when I get up in there, it's not looking like I can drop it without damaging this. It's not the best spot because it's gonna be coming down here and the guys are gonna have to kind of fight it through there. It's always better to have something set up before you go up there. That's always been something I try and do. Oh, hey. Doors. Ricardo!
Buddy.
We got the trusty Ben Hameen back on the crew here today.
Just derail, get my Pop-Tarts ready.
Luckily, we don't have to have the chipper running on this job because I can't stand it. On the last job, you know, the chipper was running all day and I can't talk to the camera. It's like very frustrating, but let's have to see how it goes.
Nick Lamb today.
No. Ricardo wants to climb. Well, basically, we'll cut this limb. You know, that one will go shpa. And then these, you know, it goes shoom. And then that one, you know, the top one, shoom. Anytime now, guys, anytime.
You got it, buddy.
Got my handy dandy monkey beaver saddle here. And my spider wire steel flip cord, 5/8.
Yeah, I see that.
Just like I like it.
Nice and girthy.
Nice and girthy to the touch. Gecko spikes. I think these things are getting worn out, man. I mean, I can't forget about my $400 Arbortech saw pants that I love so much. I absolutely love them in the summertime when it's about 98 degrees. That's when I'm wearing blue jeans.
Yeah.
Zigzag zigala. I just realized I'm hungry. Yeah, so I mean, this is a down only situation, guys, so trying to watch out for these trees, but we don't want to rig a whole lot from it. The limbs that are in the way are really not big enough for me to worry about, honestly. Yeah, I mean, you know, when you got a big hole in a tree like this on the bottom, you don't want to be rigging a whole lot of heavy stuff from it. because it'll shake it. I mean, never want it to be one of those bad situations. Watch so. What you can do, obviously watch your arm when you're cutting. You don't want to get near the saw, but if you do a pop cut, right as it comes off, you can grab it and really push it if you want it to move. Like that. Now, when we pull on this top, I do not want y'all pulling the hell out of this tree. I mean, I don't know, we'll see how high I go. I don't know, I just feel safer with 2 lanyards around the tree, you know? See, that's another example of I wanted it to move 3 or 4 feet. You literally just grab it and toss it. You really got to be careful though where your hands are, because if you do it and hit the saw, that's, I mean, well, you know, yeah, hamburger finger. We don't want to experience that. Doesn't sound too friendly. But I tell you, whenever I'm in a tree like this, it's got that bad spot, I'm a little puckered up, more than normal. I mean, normally I'm just kind of like, yee. But every time the tree moves, I'm like, oh. So, right here, I keep falling back this way. You know, and I know that I'm going to be exerting a lot of my body force to get this limb to kind of go over. So a simple solution is take your second lanyard. This is for the new guys, obviously, and put it around both pieces, and boom, there you go. Now you're fully in there. You can do whatever you want, because you go making cuts when you're off balance. That's when you get hurt. Always make sure you feel fully comfortable before you start the saw. Oh yeah, and one other thing. I'm wanting these things to land flat. And I know I always talk about this, but I'm gonna say it again. If you want something to land flat, don't notch it. You know, in certain scenarios. Unless you got a hickory or something, then maybe put a little notch. But this poplar just pops. We're not rigging anything out of this tree really, but it doesn't matter. Always cut your stop. Now I can start to assess what we got up here, which is a failure to communicate. Fool me once, shame on you. All right. I think if I knife cut this thing, it ain't gonna hurt nothing, man, because it's gonna hit that and it's gonna go flying out that way. Watch. Oh! I don't think it hurt it though. Nah, I'm just scared to wreck from this tree, man. Starting to wobble a little bit, bud. She's wobbling. She's wobbling. Okay. I don't know. I mean, yeah, you know, I can keep on fiddling with this, you know. Oh, let's go see. I'll be honest with you, man. I don't know if I want y'all pulling on this thing at all. I think what I can do, I could go up and I think I can cut all the tops, you know? I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm worried about y'all tugging on this thing. No offense. What a beautiful day in the neighborhood, bud. Won't you be my neighbor? Huh. Planting trees, man. I hope his drainage field ain't down that far. One top, two top, three top. Uno, dos, tres. Yeah, it wasn't quite what we were looking for, but Everything's good. So crazy, man. Once you knock the tops out of these things, instant noodle. What it is that top is like a damper. You know what I'm saying? And yeah. And like if you're roping a top, it's really good to keep like a smaller piece on underneath of you. You know, that can lessen the ride you take. All right, log number 1. Wait till we cut the stump on this thing, and then we're gonna be like, oh, that's why he didn't want to rope anything. I don't know. I'm a big sissy, I guess. Yeah, I guess careful. It's good to be careful doing this. Really, macho doesn't have a place here, but there is a lot of it. What drives me crazy is all these people, all these climbers on these different social media things are so mean to each other. I just don't get it. I don't understand. All right, after this one, I'm gonna need the 500. I think I got here. Oh, you pulling it up for me. See how smooth that is? It's like a multi-tool, you know? It's my Zigzag. Yeah. Yes, sir. I always think. Try to think about stuff. why they don't understand. It's crazy. We throw that pole right down through there?
Yeah, I think you can.
No, I'm saying like far as height wise, does it look right?
Yep.
All right, send me that rope back up and I'll come on out of here. Yeah, I mean, really all it did,
Cleaned it up, man.
it left a little tiny poplar stick in the middle there, but it didn't break either top. Now it's got, you know, full rain.
That's what I'm hoping.
Yeah, it's really cool. I always like to tie my knot on the back and then run it up over the front. I don't know. It's just, make sure my damn lanyard ain't around it. That's just how I like doing it. Y'all leave something in the comments. See if y'all, that's something y'all do. Finally got my figure 8 back from Tyler. Yeah, we was out there trying out the new rope climbing stuff we got. I left it out there in his yard. Tyler, my arborist buddy. Nah, this is a local guy. He actually saw the channel though. That's how we met. That's how we got to know each other. He saw us coming through Mineral doing that thing with the chipper going wee, wee, wee. That's when he figured out we were local. Good, buddy.
Yeah. Big.
Yep. What do you think, man?
I think you're the man.
Yeah, it was a little shaky.
Good work, though.
Well, guys, we got it all down here. He just wanted the wood cut up and put right there. But, I mean, it was pretty rotten. Pretty rotten. But you just gotta kind of calculate your risk, see what's really worth it. You know, he really wanted these hemlocks to be saved, and, you know, we were gonna maybe rope a few limbs, but I decided just to cut it because I wasn't really comfortable rigging from it. But all was well, nothing got hurt and everything, so all in all, it was a good day. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I know we did. If you haven't subscribed yet and you're new to the channel, please do so. It really helps the channel, and leave something in the comments. I'm always wanting to hear from you guys, but that's all we got for today, so we'll catch you on the next one.